Okay, I'm going to make this the very last video on the scooter because I deliver it tomorrow. But I just wanted to let you know that I had this CDI. You can see it here. See if we can get closer up. That I got off of Amazon, and it actually made the scooter slower. I took the original. It's supposed to make it faster. See how it says new racing? Yeah, well, it's not the case. I highly suggest you do not put one of these on your scooter. I mean, it may work for others, but okay, I'll speak specifically to the Genuine Buddy 125 scooter. 2009 Genuine Buddy 125 scooter does not like this thing. It works. You're just going to go a lot slower. As soon as I put the original back in, the thing got right back up to speed. So thanks to the guys on Reddit. Somebody on Reddit is actually who mentioned that to check it out, and that's what I did. And sure enough, this one sucks. So do not use it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it there, and thanks everyone. Have a good one.